Hi guys, welcome back to Well for Prepping, and in today's video we're going to be looking at my cook system that I use when I do a bit of bushcraft. It is the Self-Reliant Outfitters and Pathfinder School bottle cook set. So come with us guys and see what you think. Okay guys, this is a closer look at the cook set that I use. It all comes nestled lovely in this Coyote 10 bag. It's a heavy duty nylon bag. It's got MOLLE on the front, it's got a large pocket to keep your accessories in, and also comes with a shoulder strap. I believe this is a Gen 3 bag because it doesn't have the thin nylon lining on the inside. And when it first came out, I think it was Condor bag they were using, and the nylon bag was snagging up on like the butterfly handle, the bat wing handles to the cup, and all the other little bits were getting snagged in, and it was a bit of a tight fit. So next to that, we have the 32 ounce bottle. It comes about 8 inches tall, 3 3/4 in diameter. It's got a plastic lid with a silicone O-ring in it, so it gives a really nice tight seal on it. Then we have the cup, which is 25 ounces, and that stands about 4.5 inches tall, and once again 3 3/4 in diameter. On the inside of the cup, it comes with markings in millilitres, and like I said, it got bat wing handles on it. Below, also got to remember the lid that comes with it has straining holes, and it's a lovely tight fit. And also, if you can see that the lid has holes so you can slip the bottle hanger in, so you can hang the cup over the fire or whatever cooking means that you've got. Underneath that is a mini stove that stands about 3 1/4 inches high, 3 3/4 wide once again, because like I say, all these nestle in lovely together in that bag. This stove you can use with your mess burner. Sometimes I'll put it in the fire to cook with, it just depends. In front of that we've got the bottle hanger, which is manganese sprung steel and also rust resistant, and this kit also comes with a knife, spoon, fork set, which are also stainless steel. Also, when you buy this, it comes with a mini ferro rod, but that's in another kit for now, so I haven't got that with me. But to be honest guys, this kit is robust. It weighs about 2.5 pounds, and it's ideal for me going out and doing my bits and pieces in the woods. I believe I picked it up from the bushcraft store at the bushcraft show a few years ago, and I haven't changed my cook system since. I do know that the Self-Reliant Outfitters of Pathfinder School have upgraded the kit, so now you can buy the bag in black. The handles are bigger on the cup. Also, I believe it comes with a spork instead of a knife fork set, and also they do a bigger cup set. I think it's 64 ounces, and the appropriate cup goes with that and what have you, and you get a lot of these accessories with it as well. But this set guys is brilliant. I wouldn't change it. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope it's given you a few ideas to add to your own cook systems. If you'd like to give us a thumbs up, it'd be brilliant. And subscribe would be top draw. And also check us out on Facebook and Instagram, because we post on there on a regular basis. So stay safe out there guys, and we'll see you on the next one.